Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to add text box in Wix website. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. To begin, what you can do is open the website you're creating on Wix and just simply click on this plus icon in the upper left corner of the screen. That is the first option on your tools on this left side panel. When you click on the plus icon, it allows you to add an element. Depending on what element you would like to incorporate, whether a text, image, or a button. So in our case, what we will do is just click on text, since we will be adding a text box into our website. Here, in order for you to add a text box, you can click on paragraphs, titles, or you can use the theme text. You can click on paragraphs or just simply click on titles and then just simply drag and drop the text into your website. And then you can just move it around depending on where you would want the text box to be added to. So, for example, you want this to be in the section. You can just simply align this into the existing paragraph or text on the website. When you click on edit text here, you'll be able to add effects. You can change the theme. You can even edit the font size, font style, and the font color as well. Once you are satisfied with that, you can even add animation and even add a link into the title or into the text. And that's basically it. That's how you add a text box into your Wix website. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.